Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share a PDF link from Google Drive, whether you are sending a document for work, school, or personal use. We will walk you through the simple steps to create a shareable link with ease. Now, let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, find the PDF file you want to share. Here is a quick example. This file is a PDF, as you can see. If you want to share it or get a shareable link, you just need to right-click the file, or click the three dots, then select Share and click Share again. Once you are here, we need to change the sharing setting to Anyone with the link, so that others can open it using the link we send. After we select that option, we can now copy the link and click Done. Now we can send the copied link to anyone we want to share it with. For example, if we want to share it with someone, we simply send them the link, and here is the result when they open it. Quick and simple, that's it. We have successfully shared a PDF link from Google Drive. Now we can send documents quickly and securely without needing to attach large files.